Amanda, a registered dietitian with Henry Ford Macomb Hospital. The vegetable of the week this week is cabbage. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin C. Cabbage is rich in phytochemicals, which help support the immune system and help lower the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancers. When picking out cabbage, choose firm heads that feel heavy and are tightly packed. There's so much that you can do with cabbage. It can be eaten fresh, sautéed, stir-fried, grilled, roasted, steamed, baked, or even broiled. Today we're making a rainbow coleslaw. To make rainbow coleslaw, you need about 2 cups of red cabbage thinly sliced, 2 cups of green cabbage thinly sliced, about a half a cup of chopped yellow or red pepper, a half a cup of carrots shredded, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, a half a cup of low-fat cheddar cheese cubed, a half a cup of chopped red onion, and a half a cup of a low-fat or a fat-free mayonnaise. To make the dressing, you're going to add your red wine vinegar and your mayonnaise to a bowl and whisk it together. You could also add a little bit of celery seed as well and set aside. To make the salad, you're going to add your red cabbage, green cabbage, peppers, onions, carrots, and cheese to the bowl. Then we're going to add our dressing. And it's done. Enjoy! Thank you so much for listening to the Vegetable of the Week. Looking forward to seeing you at the Dodge Park Farmers Market.